There are three different prototypes. First, the cheapest and common type is 3D print prototype, but it only prints the plastic products. The second type is CNC prototype. This kind of prototype has good hardness. Both metal and plastic products can be printed, but the price is also higher. The last type is called silicone molds for plastic repeat prototype, applying CNC SLA or 3D print to make a resin mold quickly. This kind of mold can use 50 times and just being used in plastic products. These products that are new developed or their design is not immature, we suggest making a prototype to certify the utilization of this product and find the fault or disadvantages so as to improve the product's structure. At the same time, making a prototype to make market research or balance. It can shorten the development cycle about the product project. It is also suitable for this next demand project. The quantity is about 30 to 200 pieces.